The scan time in a Programmable Logic Controller (PLC) program refers to the time it takes for the PLC to complete one cycle of reading inputs, executing the control program logic, and updating the outputs. Understanding the scan time is crucial for ensuring the efficient and reliable operation of PLC-controlled systems. Here's a breakdown of how the PLC program works concerning scan time. 1. Input scan, reading inputs. Process. The PLC reads the status of all input devices, sensors, switches, etc. Duration. This step involves reading data from input modules and can be relatively quick, depending on the number of inputs and the PLC's processing speed. 2. Program execution, processing logic. Process. The PLC executes the control program logic written by the programmer. This logic typically consists of ladder diagrams, function block diagrams, or structured text. Duration. The time taken here depends on the complexity of the logic, the number of instructions, and the efficiency of the program. Complex calculations or extensive logic can increase the execution time. 3. Output scan, updating outputs. Process. The PLC updates the status of all output devices, actuators, lights, relays, etc., based on the results of the program execution. Duration. Similar to the input scan, this step is relatively fast, depending on the number of outputs and the PLC's processing speed. 4. Communication and diagnostics. Process. In addition to the primary scan steps, the PLC might perform communication tasks with other PLCs, HMIs, SCADA systems, and diagnostics, self-checks, monitoring system health. Duration. These tasks can add to the total scan time but are typically managed to ensure they don't significantly impact the core input processing output cycle. Total scan time. The total scan time is the sum of the time taken for the input scan, program execution, and output scan, along with any additional communication and diagnostic tasks. Understanding and optimizing scan time is vital for ensuring the PLC system operates effectively and meets the performance requirements of the application it controls. Step into the world of smart automation with our hands-on PLC SCADA training sessions.